Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controller pressing keyboard on Steam. So if I press L3, as you can see here, keyboard is enabled, and while in game the game minimizes or the game is stopped, since it's super annoying, right? So what you can do here, if you want to disable this option, is simply you need to open up settings, Steam settings, then go to controller here. Then you need to go scroll down until you see desktop layout and press on edit. And then on this new window here, select edit layout. In my particular case is joystick. When I press L3, I'm getting this error. So I go on joystick, and then as you can see here, L3 click, and it's as you can see here, keyboard. So just remove command, and just that's pretty much what you need to do here. So now if I press the button, keyboard is not popping on, right? So yeah,